sunlight ruining your binge watch? Not anymore. Samsung just unleashed its 2025 OLED TV lineup, the S95F, the S90F, and the S85F, with next-level glare-free tech and AI that's basically magic. These screens are brighter, bolder, and built for you. Ready to see the future of TV? Let's roll! Samsung, the fastest-growing OLED brand, is back with a killer 2025 lineup. Sizes up to 85 inches across the S95F, S90F, and S85F. We're talking Pantone-validated colors, deep blacks, and a 30% brightness boost. But the real star? OLED glare-free tech that kills reflections dead. No more squinting through sunny days. Lydia Cho, Samsung's home entertainment guru, says it's all about flexibility. Watch what you want, where you want, with zero compromise. And with Samsung Vision AI, these TVs don't just look good, they think for you. First up, the S95F, Samsung's OLED king, from 55 to 83 inches. Its glare-free tech is the best yet, paired with the brightest OLED screen Samsung's ever made. The NQ4 AI Gen 3 processor cranks contrast and 4K upscaling to unreal levels, while OLED HDR Pro makes every scene pop. Gamers, you're in for a treat. Motion accelerator 165Hz means buttery smooth action. Lydia calls it the most realistic picture possible, and at $2,299 to $4,499, it's a cinematic steal. The 83-inch drops soon, the rest are live now. The S90F, 42 to 83 inches, keeps the AI heat with the same NQ4 Gen 3 chip. OLED HDR Plus and 144Hz motion accelerator deliver vivid contrast and fluid visuals, perfect for sports or gaming. AI Motion Enhancer Pro even sharpens fast action like a pro. Prices start at $1,299 up to $5,399. Then there's the S85F, 55 to 83 inches with the NQ4 Gen 2 processor, 120Hz motion, and Color Booster Pro for rich detail, all from $1,499 to $4,499. Every model is Pantone perfect and glare-free. Your room, your rules. Samsung Vision AI is the secret sauce here. Click to search, pulls up actor bios mid-show, live translate subtitles, live broadcast in real time, and pet care alerts you if your pup's up to no good. All via SmartThings. Home Insights gives you a 3D map of your smart home, and Universal Gestures lets you control it with your Galaxy Watch. No remote needed. One UI Tizen ties it all together with a slick interface and 7 years of updates. Plus, karaoke on Stingray and free Samsung TV Plus. Entertainment's endless. Want in? The 2025 OLEDs are hitting shelves now. S95F and S90F are live, S85F's rolling out, and the 83-inchers are coming soon. Prices start at $1,299. Snag yours from the #1 TV brand, 19 years strong. Don't wait. These glare-free beauties won't last. Click now and light up your world. That's the rundown on Samsung's 2025 OLED revolution. Which one's your pick? S95F, S90F, or S85F? Tell me in the comments.